Every moment has a story. Welcome back to My Moments, My Story. Potato harvesting is more than just collecting potatoes from the field. Today I am taking you to the heart of my village to experience one of the busiest and happiest times of the year, Potato Harvesting Day. Potato harvesting is more than just collecting potatoes from the field. It requires patience and teamwork. The soil is carefully loosened. A pair of oxen makes it more easier. Look at these beautiful potatoes. It's always exciting to see what's hidden beneath the soil. Every potato represents months of care, dedication, and teamwork. Every harvest is a story of resilience, hope, and a strong spirit of powering success. The result of careful preparation, planting, weeding, earthing up, fertilizing, and protecting the crop from pests and diseases. Every potato on earth is the result of patience, dedication, and hard work. What makes village harvesting special isn't just the crop, it's the people. Friends and neighbors work side by side, sharing stories, laughter, and encouragement throughout the day. The sight of sacks gradually filling with red potatoes is rewarding, reflecting the success of months of hard work. As the plow slices through the rich earth, anticipation builds. Each pass revealing a hidden treasure of freshly harvested potatoes. No one knows exactly how many potatoes each plant will produce until it is pulled from the ground. The atmosphere is filled with teamwork and celebration. The freshly harvested potatoes are still covered with rich brown earth, giving them a rustic, natural appearance. By midday, everyone pauses for a shared meal prepared with fresh local ingredients. This break is as important as the work itself, strengthening friendships and community bonds. The important task of loosening the soil is carried out by a pair of strong oxen pulling a traditional plow. They move steadily along each row, their strength breaking open the earth without the need for machines. They, the earthworms, are nature's hardworking helpers in a potato field. The secret to a good harvest is gentleness. You can't just hike away at the earth or you will bruise or cut the crop. As the day draws to a close, the harvested field tells a story of accomplishment. For farming families, the harvest represents not only food and income, but also hope, resilience, and the promise of a better future. Every potato that reaches our table carries the story of countless hours of labor, cooperation, and care. Potato harvesting is a celebration of connection between people, the land, and the rewards of working together with nature. Every moment leaves a story. Thank you for being part of mine. See you in the next video.